Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back. First of all, before we proceed, I would like to thank you all, my amazing followers, both on YouTube and on Facebook, the new subscribers and the new followers. I want to say thank you all so much. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I made this stew for all kind of food that you would like to eat it with. I'm not a certified chef. I'm just an ordinary woman who love cooking, and I would like to show you guys how I cook. So in today's video, we made a stew. We made a stew made with tomato, reddish pepper, and scotch pepper. So in this pepper, I added onion, yellow pepper, because it is very good on stew, because it gives this one kind taste and scent to your stew. Then I added ginger and garlic. These are optional. It depends. If you don't like it, you can leave it. So I added ginger and garlic, and after that I blend it to paste. So I prefer it than tomato paste. And after that, I'm going to marinate my chicken. I'm going to use out of the pepper, add my masala powder, which consists of thyme, basil leaf, curry leaf, rosemary leaf, and many more. Then I'll also add my chicken flavor. After that, I'm going to grill it for 40 minutes. Then after that, we're going to proceed to cooking, adding the whole ingredients together. First, I will use my red oil and my groundnut or vegetable oil. In fact, you don't even need to bleach it that much. Some people don't use to bleach at all, but I think I don't like the way the thing is if I don't bleach it. So I just bleach a little, transfer my onion and my curry and thyme first. That's when you build your flavor. So when you transfer that your onion and curry and thyme, you're going to stir it for like 2 minutes. This will help you build that flavor that when you're eating your stew, you'll be getting that sweet smell. So you build your flavor first before you transfer your fresh tomato and keep on stirring. You're not going to fry it too much. And after that, you transfer your your pepper mix and start stirring it. When you stir it, you cover for some minutes, then add your crayfish, your panla fish, your seasoning, and your salt. Then after that, when you stir again or cover for some minutes again, you then transfer your chicken. This time your chicken is almost done, so just use that to help it penetrate inside for more sweeter taste. Then after that, I'm going to add my carrots. I love carrots in the stew. Some people deep fry carrots, but I don't like deep frying carrots. So I'm going to add it at the last part of this soup. I added my carrots. I did not use everything because I even love using it on my rice, on my white rice. Then I also introduced my egg this time. I even forgot to use fake to dig a hole in the egg so that the stew will penetrate inside. But it's okay. So when you added your egg, you stir it or cover for some minutes. Some people, when they get to this stage, you don't use to add water. Some people don't like adding water. It's only their chicken stock, meat stock. But me, I think I have to add water because I want to pack this soup in the fridge. I need enough soup. So when you add the amount of water that you love, or if you don't want to add, then you introduce your curry leaf at the last part of the cooking. And this time your whole thing is ready. The whole soup is ready. That is, the smell is, the aroma the aroma was flying around the whole houses. So at this time your soup is ready. Then I added my remaining carrots, and that's it. So here your soup is ready, and you can see how everything is looking so fresh and inviting. So trust me, this soup is very sweet. You can try this recipe your next time of making stew. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to follow my page and my YouTube page. Bye.